investment for wants. Kasi usually, yung wants, nadidemonize siya masyado. Pero ang key sa pag-address ng investment for wants ay hindi pagtitipid. You cannot tipid your way to financial freedom. It's not fun. You have to identify what makes you happy. Stop demonizing wants. And identify what it is that makes you happy and make that your inspiration and motivation to save and invest. Meron po akong trans na kaibigan. Ang kanyang pangarap ay magkasuso. Ayaw na ayaw niya ang kanyang trabaho. Pero nung ginawan ko ng plano para mag-ipon para siya po ay magkasuso, kahit daw sinisigawan siya araw-araw ng kanyang boss sa kanyang BPO, okay lang. Kasi meron na siyang goal sa kanyang pera. So find that why. Bakit po kayo mag-i-invest? Ano yung wants? Wants makes our lives more colorful, more exciting. How do we finance our wants? Ito po yung sikreto ng mga mayayaman. Ang active income, pambili ng needs. Ang passive income, pambili ng wants. What's the difference between an active income and a passive income? Active income, ito yung mga kinikita natin habang tayo ay nagtatrabaho. Kailangan ng puhunan ng dugo, pawis, oras, energy to be able to create that. Pero yung passive income, yan yung kahit nakaupo ka lang, okay. Rent, dividends, interest, capital gains, pensions, no, royalties. You have to make sure that you transform your active income, use that so that you can invest it and create passive income for you.